Hi, Victor. Why don't you introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Victor Garcia. I'm a transportation manager here at Magic Laundry Services.
When did you start here, Victor?
I started 2 years ago, yes.
And why did you come here? What were you doing before?
I was actually working at a dead-end job. I was working for a tire shop for 10 years, and it was time for me to move on.
What was it? What kind of work were they offering you here that you thought you would like to do?
I was very interested in moving the trucks. That got my big interest. So I started at the dock, which from there I started loading and unloading trucks. I started leveling up little by little. I became an assistant supervisor, which is a dock lead. From there was an opening for a supervisor and a manager position. So I was basically aiming for a supervisor position, but I was actually given the manager position, which was even better.
Well, what's next for you, Victor? What do you think you're going to do here?
I want to keep growing in this company, which I think the opportunities are endless.